people are coming here. We don't have any regrets, we don't have complaints. People will come. We will always kind of tell people that, see, you need to come and you need to do this. But times people may not be able to do that. That we will leave it aside. We will continue this effort. This is something what we have started about a year back. We have never stopped even for one session. We continued with that. Now that is the success of this, where people are coming continually and then they are going. Then what you have started with the word of their phrase of the day, something very good. And your presentation was also very good. Your tonality was very good. You could present it confidently. This is also something what I said in my last week talk, that you should have something connecting to what you were saying is also, and for you also, you are mentioning that when you have the confidence in you, you can come and talk. You don't have a fear inside you. So you take out that fear. So you have the confidence within you, and with that confidence you are coming, and then you can do whatever you want. There will not be any problem at all. So anything, whatever you want to do, when you are coming here with confidence. So this is what I saw, you could do that without any fear, and also in a different way you did it. That is also I appreciate, where people, they usually write in a paper and then they bring it and show that where you are bold enough to come and write it. So this is also another way of taking your fear out, becoming more confident. You will be able to move, you will be able to write something, and you will be able to communicate that to the people. So that was really done. And there were so many things what you said to that oxymoron, how you can handle it. And then people were responding to that also. So these are all success, how you could do that, even though I think you did it for the first time. You can improve on that. Where when you next time when you move on to a different level, where you want to do further, maybe you can do a speech, you can do an evaluation, all those things can come. Talent is there, then there is something what you need to just kind of nourish it further. And you can do that when you do this continuously. So that is something what is very important. Keep it up, very good. Coming to Gita. Very good, Gita. This is what was something above my expectation. I did not expect it that. To be very frank. Because I was thinking that maybe you will come and say something and then maybe you will stop it there. But you were able to give that quote of Henry Ford, and then you were able to give some few sentences onto that. How it is being connected, like failure is always something what will lead you to the success. So you were again able to put 2-3 different sentences to that, and then able to connect it to the people. You asked also 1 or 2 questions, so that is also encouraging people. This is always very important when we are trying to get people involved into that. So that is also something good. So there is a good progress from what you have started from there, and now you are moving with that. Very good. Thank you, Gita. Keep it up. And on this pictures, I think we have already done an evaluation. Guru Prakash was a good speech. The only thing what I would always suggest is that we should try to avoid things which are little big, or like what he was saying, that we are IN, and then he was trying to explain that from the very beginning, which is something perhaps people may not get it. But if he has done that at a later stage, it's more connect, where even with one word or one letter he was trying to, but then at a later stage he was able to do that. He was trying to explain it more, and he was also connecting people, asking questions to people. So all those things were good. I think the pitch was kind of a similar pitch was going on for all the time, which perhaps could be changed into a different levels, where in which you will be able to attract people always when you keep on changing your pitch level. So that is also something where perhaps you could do better. And coming to Vishnu's again, we have already done that. But Vishnu, I liked it. We have all said that the way the presentation was, which is, I think, was very interesting. The only thing is that you may be kind of a little too fast when you were doing that. But still, to me, I felt it very interesting. Very interesting. Because I was eager to look at it. Even when you saw that there is a hair, when you see that with naked eye, and when it is, when you are looking through that. So there is a big difference which I have never seen before. So this is again where when you are giving this kind of information to people who are completely new to that, definitely people will always listen to that. But yes, again, what as Satish said, perhaps we can do it in a little more slower way, and then getting more attraction from people by asking questions to them, so that we will have the control throughout the session. So that is something, but definitely you will bring it up. And coming back to Raghav, very good. I could see an experienced way of putting the things coming, how it was coming out from you. You were able to put that in a very elaborate way, and then putting questions to the audience, and then getting them involved into the discussion, and then again what you started with, that yes, this is not something what you want to be a kind of a lecture, you want to be something that sharing of the learning, so that people all will be involved into that, and then so this will remain in the minds of people, like when you are just giving a kind of lecture for some time, or if you are kind of asking people some questions, that will remain with them, and that is a good way of sharing the learning. It was very good. The timing is, again, because the topic what you have chosen is, have taken almost 100% extra time for that. But still people enjoy it. I don't think that somebody wanted to just kind of doing that kind of pretending. Well, they are listening to you, but people are actually listening to you. It was very good. And I think this kind of participation will definitely bring more people, because people will like that, how we can participate and how we can do those things. And then again, coming back to Raman, overall the control was very good. Again, Raman is an experienced person, one of our pioneers where we started with those things. From Raman only we have got this idea where in fact he has joined Toastmasters, and then from there only we had some time back we had a chat coming in, like why don't we start something with this. So Raman was the pioneer to start with these things, and also that interest for him to take that further. We will have always, sometimes we may not have much people coming in, but this is a kind of thing where we can take it. Last time Raman could not do that, but then after that I asked him, is it possible next time he can do that? Immediately he said, no problem, I can do that. And then he came and he did it. We know that we are all very busy, because we do have something more important than this always. But this is always something that will help us to reach that. So let us keep continuing this. Please do keep participating.
So I have one suggestion.
Yes.
I think all these things, whatever it is being done in each session of public speaking, should be posted in our website, our mail ID, all that.
We do have. That is why there is you would see that there is a kind of recording of these programs are happening every time, and we do have this in our library. Okay? And we are giving this to each individuals if they are interested.
No, the thing is that whatever is being done in each session,
okay,
whatever topics we have taken up, whatever is done should be posted in the bulletin board or the newsroom, so that everybody will be benefited. If the people don't,
very good suggestion. Very good suggestion.
Whoever cannot attend, because I feel every time I should learn something from this, but it's not possible. So at least I feel that I should know what's happened in the last session.
So very good suggestion. I 100% agree to that. The only one small thing there is that at times